Hello friends, welcome to engineering tutorial. So we'll continue our discussion related to important parameters of a satellite moving around Earth. So previously we discussed about the total energy of a satellite. So in this video we are going to discuss about another important parameter, which is the binding energy of a satellite. Okay, so again it is related to the previous concepts that we have covered so far. So going back to the previous concepts, the total energy of a satellite is the sum of the potential energy and kinetic energy of the satellite. So for potential energy, we have to use the concept of gravitational potential energy, which is the capacity of gravitational force to do work. It is basically the work done in bringing an object from far away distance, let's say from infinity, to a certain point in the gravitational field of the source mass. So here capital M is the source mass and small m is the test mass. The test mass is brought from infinity to a certain position within the gravitational field. So the total work done in bringing the two objects, the two masses, to a certain separation distance, let's say small r, that is equal to the gravitational potential energy, which is equal to minus capital G capital M small m by small r. Capital G is the gravitation constant, mass capital M is the source mass, small m is the test mass, and small r is the separation distance. So if you use the same concept to satellite and Earth system, where Earth is the source mass of mass capital M, satellite is the test mass of mass small m, and the separation distance between them is capital R plus small h, where capital R is the radius of the Earth, small h is the height of the satellite above the surface of the Earth. So the total separation from the satellite from the center of the Earth, it is R plus h. So using that analogy, the potential energy or the gravitational potential energy of a satellite orbiting around Earth, it will be equal to minus capital G capital M small m by small r, where small r is the total separation distance capital R plus small h. Similarly, because of the orbital velocity, which is the velocity which is acting tangentially at every point on the orbit, the orbital path, okay, the orbital velocity v0, because of the orbital velocity the satellite has a certain kinetic energy. So here we have to use this expression for orbital velocity, which is this root over of gm by capital R plus small h. So we will write it as this root over of gm by small r, where r is equal to r plus h, capital R plus small h. Small r is equal to capital R plus small h. So if we substitute this expression, the kinetic energy becomes 1/2 mv0 square, okay, the orbital velocity v0, so 1/2 mv0 square. So v0 is equal to this much, root over of gm by small r. So v0 square will be simply equal to gm by r, so it will be equal to 1/2 small m into capital G capital M by small r. So it will be equal to capital G capital M small m by 2r. This is the kinetic energy, okay, where r is equal to, small r is equal to capital R plus small h, the total separation distance. So we have the potential energy minus capital G capital M small m by small r, and the kinetic energy is equal to capital G capital M small m by 2r. Okay, now the sum of these two energies, that is the potential energy and the kinetic energy of a satellite, that gives us the total energy of the satellite, which is equal to minus capital G capital M small m by 2r. This. Now this parameter, okay, this energy parameter, the total energy parameter, this is the total energy associated with the satellite, which keeps it orbiting around the Earth in a fixed circular path. So this energy, which is negative in nature, it is negative in sign, it indicates that the work is done by the gravitational force of Earth, okay. Force is exerted by the gravitational pull to keep the satellite in a fixed circular path. Work is done by the gravitational force. Now let us imagine a situation. Let's say we take the satellite to a far away distance, to infinity, okay, from this separation distance r plus h to a far away distance where the separation distance is infinity. In that case, the gravitational potential energy of the satellite, that will be equal to minus gmm by infinity, okay, minus gmm by infinity, which will be equal to 0. So the potential energy at infinity is 0, and the kinetic energy at infinity, that is r is equal to infinity, it will be also equal to 1/2 g capital M small m by infinity, which will be equal to 0. So both potential energy and kinetic energy, they are 0 when the separation distance is infinity. So the total energy is also 0. Now suppose we supply some extra positive energy from outside, okay, the total energy is negative minus capital G capital M small m by 2r. This is the total energy of the satellite. Now suppose we supply some extra energy from the outside, some positive energy, that is plus sign energy, positive sign energy, such that the total energy becomes 0. The total energy of the satellite becomes 0. In that case, we have to supply energy equal to plus gmm by 2r, okay, plus g capital M small m by 2r. So if we supply this much amount of extra energy, okay, this much amount of extra positive energy is supplied from outside, okay, then the total energy will become 0. So it means, basically what it means, that if we supply this much extra energy from the outside, the satellite will leave its orbital path, okay, it will leave its orbital path and escape to a far away distance, to infinity. Okay, so this much amount of extra energy is required to free the satellite from its bondage. I mean, it's not the right word to use, but because this much energy is keeping it bounded to the earth because of the gravitational pull. So if we supply this much extra energy, okay, plus g capital M small m by 2r, then it will free the satellite from Earth's bondage and it will leave its orbital path and escape to infinity. So this extra energy, okay, the positive energy plus G capital M small m by 2r, which is supplied from the outside, so that the total energy becomes 0. That is called as the binding energy of the satellite. Okay, the extra positive energy which is given to the satellite such that the total energy becomes 0. So the binding energy is basically the negative of the total energy. Total energy is minus capital G capital M small m by 2r. Binding energy is equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. It is minus, it is plus. Magnitude, they are the same. Okay, plus capital G capital M small m by 2r. Now here the positive sign, what it means? So here the positive sign means the extra energy which is given to the satellite, it does work against the gravitational force. Work done against the gravitational force means positive sign. Work done by the gravitational force means negative sign. Okay, work done by the gravitational force means negative sign. So here in the total energy of the satellite, which is minus, here the work is done by the gravitational force. Magnitude is the same, but the minus sign means work is done by the gravitational force. But for the binding energy, it is plus capital G capital M small m by 2r. Magnitude, both of them, they are the same magnitude wise, but here the positive sign means this extra energy, the outside energy which is supplied, it is positive and it does work against the gravitational force to free the satellite from Earth's bondage, and so that it leaves its orbital path and escape to a faraway distance to infinity. So this is the concept of binding energy, which is the extra energy required by the satellite to leave its orbital path around Earth and escape to infinity. Okay, so this is the concept of binding energy of a satellite. Again, we have to draw some of the concepts from the previous things that we have studied: the gravitational potential energy, and then the kinetic energy because of the orbital motion, combining them together to give the total energy, and the minus of the total energy, that is the opposite of the total energy, that is the binding energy. Equal in magnitude, opposite in sign. Okay, opposite in nature. Here work is done by the gravitational force, here work is done against the gravitational force. This energy is utilized to keep the satellite in its orbital path, work done by the gravitational force. This energy is utilized to free the satellite, to take the satellite away from its orbital path, and the work is done against the gravitational force. Okay, so this is the thing.